Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to print your favorite designs onto t-shirts, hats, hoodies, and more with ease and precision. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with the DTF Printer L1800 printer machine, that dream is now a reality. This cutting-edge device is packed with innovative features that make it a game changer for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. One of the standout features of the DTF Printer L1800 is its advanced white ink circulation and stirring system. This technology ensures that the white ink is consistently mixed and circulated, preventing clogging and precipitation. What does this mean for you? It means that you can enjoy consistent, high-quality printing results every time, without the hassle of constantly cleaning and maintaining the printer. The advanced white ink system also prolongs the life of the print head, saving you money and reducing downtime. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this feature is a total winner. Another key benefit of the DTF Printer L1800 is its ease of use. Say goodbye to the hassle of adjusting the physical position of the print head. This printer eliminates the need for manual adjustments. Simply print on the PET film, and with a heat press, transfer it directly onto the t-shirt. It's a total breeze, and the results are stunning. The printer's user-friendly design makes it perfect for beginners, while its advanced features and high-quality results will impress even the most seasoned printing pros. Plus, the printer comes with a roll feeder, making it easy to print large quantities of designs with minimal effort. The DTF Printer L1800 also boasts an incredibly versatile application range. Whether you're working with fabric, t-shirts, bags, hats, handbags, pillows, shoes, socks, handicrafts, hoodies, cushions, denim, cotton blends, athletic mesh fabrics, polyester, textiles, and more, this printer is perfect for a wide range of materials. Compared to DTG printers, the DTF printer offers exceptional versatility, making it a must-have for anyone looking to expand their printing capabilities. And with its advanced ink system, you can enjoy vibrant, long-lasting prints that will impress your friends and clients. But what really sets the DTF Printer L1800 apart is its professional after-sales service. The team behind this printer is dedicated to providing top-notch support, from installation to printing and beyond. If you encounter any problems, their expert team is just a call away, ready to help you troubleshoot and get back to printing in no time. Plus, the printer comes with safety software, giving you peace of mind and protecting your investment. And, as a beginner, you'll appreciate the comprehensive A3 DTF bundle that comes with the printer, making it easy to get started with your printing journey. In conclusion, the DTF Printer L1800 is an absolute powerhouse of a printer that's perfect for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. With its advanced white ink circulation and stirring system, ease of use, versatile application range, and professional after-sales service, this printer is a total game changer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this printer is sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the DTF Printer L1800 today and start creating stunning prints that will amaze your friends and clients. Trust me, you won't